Here we are at Kelly's Knob. Just a bit off the trail, but definitely worth it. Nice place to have lunch. Get some nice views over there. Some distant mountains. And quite the drop off here. Just eating lunch here on Kelly's Knob. Have a peanut butter burrito. Some Cheez-Its here. Here is another great view of some valley in Virginia. Lots of mountains in the distance. You can see them. Just walking up sideways on this rock. Always fun in Virginia. Rocks, rocks, and more rocks. I'm in a bit of a rush right now. I got about 1.2 miles to go in 20 minutes because I'm supposed to be meeting some special guests for tonight. Here we are. These are the special guests that were coming to visit me, my parents, and we are hiking to McAfee Knob, which is a really popular spot on the trail. We're actually not on the Appalachian Trail right now. We are on the Fire Road because it's a lot easier. And
they just skewer me with your pole. It's a king snake, Sue. They're not poisonous. Oh. He turned on me. Oh. Hey there, buddy.
Here we are at McAfee Rock. Gorgeous view of the valley. And there's the rock over there. A lot of day hikers up here. Here we are at a postcard show that my dad thought would be interesting to see. Just postcards of anything. Oh yeah, old postcards.
We're going down the interstate, Danny, and all of a sudden, the horn's going off, and oh my God, cars around us are looking at me like, what the hell's wrong with him?
We're at Roanoke Fried by accident. Here's the brand new Fairfield Inn and Suites. We're getting ready to go slack packing. Well, I'll be slack packing. Dad has a giant pack for our 8 miles. How is it so far?
It's been great.
Yeah?
Overcast, but it's good, keeping it cool. Here we are, up on a ridge on the Appalachian Trail. What's that crunching sound that we are hearing? Oh! Hello there. How long have you been here?
Not too long.
This looks actually like a road.
Sure, it used to be.
Okay, we're going in the right direction. We're going north all the way to Katahdin. Here we are on the Knife Ridge. Falling off to the right, you would tumble a ways till you hit a tree. And then this hiker, if you were to fall this way, he'd tumble down this side of the mountain till he hit a tree. It's a beautiful day here on the AT.
This might be our only view for the day, but we're trying to beat the storm. I am definitely not regretting taking an extra day at the hotel with my parents.